for this to be continued by one of the attachment which are the successful.
So the main components of this machine are motor, gear coupler, hydraulic pump, pressure control valve, hose pipes, and this is direction control valve.
Coming to this is the cylinder. This is the cylinder, and this is the die, and this is the cavity. So this is called 100 C channel frame, and this is 75 C channel frame. This is called bed.
This is called the length and this is nothing, 49 inches and height is 30 inches and this is called length is 49 inches and the height is 17 inches and this width is 4 inches.
Product we are using the single phase induction motor, and the motor specifications are coming to speed. It has the 440 RPM, and coming to voltage it consumes 220 volts, and the frequency is 50 Hz, and it has the horsepower 2 HP. Start.
This component is a gear coupler. It is connected to the induction motor and a hydraulic pressure pump.
Component is a hydraulic pump. The function of this is it takes the hydraulic oil from the tank and pumps it to the pressure relief valve. Component is hydraulic pump. The function of this is to create pressure and to take the oil from oil tank
And it passes through the
and passes to pressure relief valve.
Pressure relief valve. This purpose is that to regulate the cylinder how much pressure will enter inside the cylinder. Okay, by rotating this side, the pressure increases. By rotating this side, the pressure decreases. This hose pipe is to connect the direction control valve to the cylinder. As you see in there, the direction control valve and the cylinder connection is there with the help of hose pipe.
direction control valve, it's control the power from motion hydraulic pump and it control the oil. This is a component called heating leader to supply the heating oil. Here we can regulate the 0 to 100.
This component is the oil tank. The capacity of the oil tank is 20 liters. It is known as the level indicator of the oil tank. The grade level indicator of the oil tank. It contains a filter inside the oil tank. The grade of the oil is 68.
So these are one component regarding the production. This is a cavity, this comes to die. This diameter is 13.5 inch.
And same here, this is a cavity, this is a die, and this diameter is 17 inch. So with the help of this DC control, direction control valve, so we are positioning the plates as a raw material paper here. So positioning the plates as output.
This is the semi-automatic hydraulic power plant making machine. So coming to the working principle of this is, here we can see the induction motor, single phase induction motor. When we supply the electricity to this single phase induction motor, it starts running and the power is transmitted through this gear coupling, and it will going to activate the hydraulic pump from where it sucks the oil from this oil tank, and it will be passed through pressure relief valve here. Here we can adjust the pressure according to our paper plate. So now the oil is passed through this hose pipe on the way to direction control valve. Here we can adjust the movement of the cavity, and coming to this here we are going to heat the heat coil which is present in the die by using this heat regulator. Now we can adjust the heat by using this regulator. We can adjust it from 0 to 100, and now the coil is going to heat. The die is going to heat, and here the cavity will be the movement of the cavity is depending on this direction control valve. Now we can see we can control the movement of the cavity by using this direction control valve. Here we can see now the cavity is going to hit the Now you can see what the paper and we can manufacture this anytime at 3 places, 1, 2, 3, and this will be the final product. And this is known as sitting plate, which we can use in any functions. And now this is buff plate. We can carry it on any on our hand, and we can use it for any parties or functions. So this is the basic working principle of